Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's garnered quite a bit of attention for Lexus RX350 owners looking to upgrade their driving experience. I'm talking about none other than the AUTOKAY driver and passenger bottom leather seat cover. Stick around as we uncover what makes this the best seat cover option for your Lexus RX350. If you're a Lexus RX350 owner, you know the importance of comfort and style. The AUTOKAY driver and passenger bottom leather seat cover promises just that and more. Designed specifically for models ranging from 2006 to 2009, this custom-fit seat cover doesn't just protect your original seats. It enhances the look and feel of your interior. Crafted from premium microfiber leather, it's not only durable but also luxurious to the touch. Easy installation with a snug fit ensures it looks like a factory upgrade. Available in a sleek gray color, it complements the RX350's interior seamlessly. Owners love the AUTOKAY seat cover for several reasons. First, it offers superior protection against wear and tear, making it ideal for daily use. Secondly, the microfiber leather ensures comfort during long drives, keeping you cozy without compromising on style. Plus, it's easy to clean, maintaining that new car look for years to come. So, why should you choose AUTOKAY over other options? Well, besides the premium build quality and stylish design, AUTOKAY specializes in tailored solutions for specific vehicle models. This means you're getting a product engineered to fit perfectly, enhancing both comfort and aesthetics without breaking the bank. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a seat cover that not only protects but also elevates your driving experience, look no further than the AUTOKAY driver and passenger bottom leather seat cover for Lexus RX350. It's the perfect blend of quality, comfort, and style that Lexus enthusiasts swear by. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more unbiased product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.